What's up guys, so this is the new Redmi Note 7, the most anticipated smartphone and maybe the most attractive budget smartphone currently. The device is priced at $150 only, and it packs a whopping 48 megapixel camera setup on its back. The smartphone has a beautiful design and an eye-catching gradient finish. In addition, the phone comes with a powerful Snapdragon 660 chipset that really makes it a perfect package. Over the back, the phone has a 2.5D glass body, which looks quite attractive under good lighting conditions. The look of the phone is really shiny and attractive, and this color makes it more beautiful. It is the first phone in Redmi lineup to sport a glass panel, and maybe the third budget phone by Xiaomi to sport gradient design. At least, it is better than a metal back, which looks dull and boring. When compared to Mi 8 Lite, both the smartphone are much similar to each other when it comes to the dimensions. No worries, the Redmi Note 7 retains a headphone jack on top. Like all other Xiaomi devices, the phone comes with an infrared sensor. And it has a Type-C port, which is suitable for fast charging. The phone comes with 6.3-inch LCD screen, with full HD plus resolution of 2340 x 1080 pixels. With a large display, the gradient look of the phone is a nice job. The display also comes with a so-called water drop notch, which looks good to show. What really makes it more interesting is that this is the first phone by independent company, Redmi. It has a separate Redmi logo, instead of a Xiaomi logo, so let me know, what are your opinions about its design, display and overall appearance. Moving to its major highlight, the phone has a whopping 48 megapixel sensor at the back, combined with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. The main sensor is a Samsung's GM1 lens, capable of taking clearer shots. The phone can shoot amazing photos in low light conditions by combining 4 pixels into one large pixel. So without wasting any time, let's have a look to its camera samples. The Snapdragon 660 inside this phone handles heavy games with ease, and it is worth mentioning that the frequency of its Snapdragon 660 is 2.2 GHz, a bit higher than other phone powered with the same processor. Apart from powerful processor, you will get Android 9.0 Pie inside this phone. However, the Android version is flavored with MIUI 10, containing bloatwares. For long-term gaming, there's a massive 4000 mAh battery inside. You can check its pricing details in description. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Provide your opinions about this device in comments below. Subscribe to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.